Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing. Today I will be unboxing the Secret Lair X Street Fighter. If you're wondering why there is a fold here, it is my friend is giving me a lend of it, so his name is written and I'm not sure if he wants that information. So we're going to first start off with opening the box. And I like how it says here comes a new challenger, which is part of the game. So, So here is the box itself. It comes with the Street Fighter logo, and you won't be able to tell, but it does pop out. I do like that it says the Secret Lair and Street Fighter, also from Capcom. So, and then it comes with its normal. I think they should have done the same here, but I understand they probably printed a load of these boxes to just put in. So, opening it. Without looking at the back card, I will just slide it. The back card is quite pringled, but I'll leave that there for now. So I think they've changed it where it goes gold to red. I'm not sure if you see it how well on the camera, but yeah, no, that's a good thing. I will be as gentle as I can because I do not own this. So yeah, it might be clear on this side, the orange to red fade. And then I'm not sure if this set came in foil and non-foil, but foil was picked here. I will start off by saying I know nothing about Street Fighter. I've probably played it a handful of times myself, but I shall start off with this guy. And sorry for my pronunciation. It's Hyundai Sumo Champion. For 4 and 2 white, you get a legendary creature, Human Warrior. That's a rare. It has Sumo Spirit. As long as it's your turn, each creature's assigns its combat damage equal to its toughness rather than its power. And then it has 100 hand slap. Whenever a Honda Sumo champion attacks, up to 100 target creatures each get +0/+X until end of turn, where X is the number of cards in your hand. So that's really good. It actually took me off guard that it said 100. And it is a 0/7, and I do like the little pip at the bottom, that it's a diamond shaped. So yeah, that's good. I will leave that here. Next is a champion I even know, Ryu World Warrior. For 2 and a white, you get a legendary creature, Human Warrior. That's a rare. It has Trainer. Whenever this creature attacks with another creature with greater power, put a 1/1 counter on this creature. It also has Hadouken for 4 and a red, and untap. Discard a card. Ryu World Warrior deals damage equal to his power to another target. If excess damage was dealt to a champion this way, draw a card. So I really like this. I think this would actually be a really good commander. Next we have Ken Burning Brawler, which is another red-white card. So for 1 and 2 red, you get a legendary creature, Human Warrior. That is a rare. It has prowess. Whenever you cast a non-creature spell, this creature gets +1/+1 until end of turn. And then it has a hybrid mana for red or white. Ken gains first strike till end of turn. And then it has, oh god, Shuriken. Whenever Ken deals combat damage, you may cast a sorcery from your hand with mana value less than or equal to the damage without paying its mana cost. And it is a 4/2. All of these so far has had a little diamond at the bottom. So next up, and again, I do not know how to pronounce this, Blanca, Furious Friend, Voracious Friend. For 3 green and a red, you get a legendary creature, Human Beast Warrior. That is a rare. It has haste. It has rolling attack. Balauka Furious Friend has trample as long as you've cast 3 or more spells this turn. Not the biggest fan of that, to be honest. And then it has Electric Thunder. Whenever, I'm just going to say he becomes the target of a spell, he gets +2/+2 until end of turn and deals 2 damage to each opponent. That is good because you can target him yourself, power him up a lot. Yeah, no, I can see it would be a very weird commander, but I think would actually be a good one now looking at how the abilities work together. And he's a 5/5. I'm not sure if I said that. And then we have Chung-Li Countless Kicker. For 1 white and a blue, you get a legendary creature, Human Soldier. That's a rare. It has multi-kicker for a hybrid white or blue. Whenever Chung-Li enters the battlefield, exile up to X target instant cards from your graveyard, where X is the number of times Chung-Li's been kicked. Put a kick counter on each of them, and then lightning kick. Whenever Chung-Li attacks, copy each exile card you own with a kicker counter on it. You may cast the copies, and it is a 3/3. All of these cards so far seem to be really good and bizarre commanders. We have 3 more. Oh, God! So this is the Halsim, Pillable Pacifist. Sorry for butchering his name. For 2 green and a white, you get a legendary creature, Human Monk. That is a rare. It has reach. It has teleport. I'm just going to say he. He has hexproof unless he's attacking. Whenever a creature you control with reach attacks, untap it. And it can't be blocked by creatures with greater power this combat. And then it has Fierce Punch. Whenever 1 or more creatures you control deal combat damage to a player, draw a card. And it is a 1/3. There is 2 more. There is Gully, Sonic Soldier. I really do like the way the beam kind of around his arms is different from himself. But for 1 blue, red, and a white, you get a legendary creature, Human Soldier. That is a rare. Whenever he enters the battlefield or attacks, put a charge counter on him or remove 1 from him. When you remove 1 of the counters this way, choose 1. Sonic Boom, it deals 4 damage to any target, or Flash Kick. He gains lifelink and indestructible till end of turn. So, and he's a 4/4. I really like his ability, but I find his colors, I think I would prefer him with a green pip, to be honest, but I can't wait to see. And then finally we have Zangief, the Red Cyclone. For 2 black, red, and a green, you get a legendary creature, Human Warrior. That is a rare. Where Zangief, the Red Cyclone, must be blocked if able. He has Iron Muscle. As long as it's your turn, Zangief is indestructible. And then Spinning Pile Drive. Whenever Zangief deals damage to a creature, if that creature was dealt excess damage this turn, that creature's controller sacrifices a non-creature, non-land permanent. That is really strange, and I really do like it. I say you can do disgusting stuff with his last ability. And then he is a 7/4. And then for the card, that is underneath is this one. It is a foil Hadouken or a lightning bolt for 1 red. Unfortunately, it is a bit thing. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but I think I'm going to leave it in the wrapper for him. But now you know that it is a Hadouken or lightning bolt for 1 red, and it is a rare instant, and it deals 3 damage to any target. Personally, overall, I actually really like this. I'm not a big Street Fighter fan myself. However, I'm not sure if I'm correct in saying this, but I think they'll be making these cards again, but as normal Magic the Gathering creatures, and I could see myself possibly using one of these, or using one as a commander in general. So yeah, here is the unboxing. And if you like these unboxing videos, remember to like, subscribe, and follow. Follow me on my other social medias, and I will be making more videos like this very shortly. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.